I will now be configuring user and file permissions on the server. So first I had to add the user, which in this case was Mark Campbell, and create a file within it named authorized keys that contains his public key. This process I have previously talked about. I now wanted to switch to a new account, so I used sudo su Mark Campbell to access Mark Campbell's account. And now I could access the home directory for Mark Campbell's account, and then I followed the previous process to create an authorized key file and his public and private key as shown here. And as you can see in this final step, I'd created Mark Campbell with his own public and private key. Once I had then logged in with Mark Campbell's account, I now wanted to add file access permissions. I first added Mark Campbell to a group called VDS staff, and I then edited the permissions of the files in Mark's home directory and of the directory of VDS staff. I set the permission level to 750, and as you can see, here's a list of users with Mark Campbell and VDS staff there, web admin and webmaster having permissions. I then switched, once I had created Mark Campbell's account with private files of 750, I switched to webmaster and tried to access, but I was denied access. And so I had created user access levels with only Mark Campbell being able to access his own files. Here is an example of me creating another user, aka me, and I added me to the VDS staff room, and I set up my own permissions so that my files could not be edited by anyone. My private files could not be edited by anyone but me, but the files that had been shared with the VDS staff group could be seen by other VDS members. Here you can see that I've logged in successfully and that I had achieved what I wanted.